Welcome to Linguaphile. English Basic Reading, Grade 1, Week 14. OTHER, Other. ABOUT, About. OUT, Out. MANY, Many. BUG, Bug. HUG, Hug. RUG, Rug. MUG, Mug. The bug came out of the rug. Many other boys ran there. She can hug the other cat. There is a bug in my mug. The man called about the rug. The other mug was out on the table. They talked about the other rug. He gave many dogs a hug. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment.